as a part of creating awareness about antimicrobial resistance. So here we go. We begin with the OPD scenario in a pediatrician's chamber, where a lot of antibiotic abuse happens. And most of the cases that we see in office practice are viral infections, run-of-the-mill viral infections where no antibiotics are required actually, but each and every child ends up getting an antibiotic. So here I have a mother, anxious mother, who has come to my clinic with her 7-year-old child who is running fever and has very bad cough. Let's see.
Good afternoon, Dr. Yevle.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, but my 7-year-old is not.
Oh, what
He's
happened?
having fever since yesterday and he was coughing the entire night. He could not sleep. I could not sleep. My husband could not sleep. So please do something.
Oh, so high fever you say?
High fever and
Oh, he's
still
jumping around. Hey.
still he's running around. See?
Come here. Let me examine this child. Batao Munno.
Anything serious, doctor?
No, don't worry. See, he's up and about. But you go out and wait. Looks like a viral illness to me.
Okay.
So use that paracetamol which I prescribed. You remember last time you had come?
Yeah.
So paracetamol 250 milligram, about 7.5 ml 4 times a day.
Okay.
And that's it.
Should I give it
Maintain-
continuously?
Don't use continuously. Maintain a good temperature record.
All right.
Use it only when the temperature touches 100 or crosses 100.
Okay, fine.
Give him plenty of fluids orally.
Okay.
And let me know after a couple of days.
That's it?
Yeah.
No antibiotic?
Why do you want an antibiotic for viral illness?
Doctor, even if he's 7 years, he has online exam tomorrow. You don't know what pressure we parents are for performance. I don't
Oh.
want him to become more ill.
ये
Please.
आपने बताया नहीं मुझे पहले. Okay, in that case, do one thing. Take co-amoxiclav fort 5 ml twice a day for 3 days. That should work.
That's strawberry flavor. My
Yeah,
son likes
he'll
only
take
that.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So twice a day for 3 days.
Okay, but I forgot to tell you, we are leaving to our native place tomorrow evening for a month. And I don't trust any other doctor in this world except Dr. Yevle. So what if he gets loose motions? Please tell me.
Yeah, most of the children tolerate it very well, but do one thing.
Okay.
You buy cefixime also. In case he gets loose motion, you stop co-amoxiclav, put him on cefixime.
All right.
That should
okay.
work.
And sorry, doctor, but
Okay.
you know he has this recurrent throat infections. So
Yeah, he keeps getting it.
Yeah. So
So we use the same one that I always prescribe, azithromycin.
Azithromycin.
One tablet, 1 a day, 3 दिन का छोटा course.
only once a
That
day.
will work. Yes,
Wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Chalo, bye.
Okay.
Happy journey.
Yes.
Wait, doctor. What are you prescribing?
Antibiotic.
Right, and then amoxiclav, then cefixime, then azithromycin.
No, sir.
What are you
साथ में
giving?
no, doctor. I said amoxiclav. If the child gets diarrhea, change to cefixime.
Why antibiotic then? It could be a viral infection also, na?
It is viral, but her child has exam tomorrow.
Yeah, my son never gets better without antibiotic.
So every
Which
time doctor prescribe you antibiotic.
Every time he gets
No, doctor,
antibiotic,
what are you
and
doing?
He gets well.
35 years of practice. Nothing happens.
No.
unless I-
Your child will get resistance with antibiotics.
Resistance? What is that?
Tell.
See, resistance I understand. तो उसके बच्चे को कुछ नहीं होता है.
But-
One child will not make
No.
Anyway,
What
see,
is
You
resist-
understand what is resistance?
No, what
Ask
is it
your
a new
doctor.
bug?
See, resistance. No.
Like
Resistance
COVID?
See, when I write antibiotic for your child,
Okay,
the antibiotic acts
Yeah.
and he gets better.
all right.
But if I use it when it is not indicated, the antibiotic becomes useless. And next time it may not work.
What are you saying, doctor?
Yes.
My God, then why did you do this to
You
me?
only pressurize me. You said कल exam है, गाँव जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है.
But-
Hey, this is not fair.
I didn't know this.
No, don't give antibiotic. Okay, it could be a viral infection also. It will get better by symptomatic treatment. Only paracetamol, that's all.
Okay, so I think you stick to my first advice. You use paracetamol, maintain temperature record, give fluids, and let's see. So let's be confident.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still, I
Even-
trust you, doctor.
Yeah. Don't worry. Don't
Thank
worry.
you. Thank
Okay?
you so
Okay?
Yeah. So friends, as I said before, let's not prescribe antibiotics to viral infections. And it is not very, very difficult to, dissect out viral infections from bacterial infections. So let us refrain from using antibiotics. we always, console ourselves by saying that we are using antibiotic to prevent a secondary bacterial infection. But that doesn't occur so commonly. So let's stick to the guidelines. Let us use our antimicrobials very, very judiciously and responsibly. Yeah. We had a scenario in the outpatient department of a pediatrician. Now I'm going to take you to the emergency room of Apollo Hospitals, where my registrar is seeing a child, a 13-month-old child, has been brought to the ER convulsing. She has managed the convulsion, the child has high fever, and she has called me up, the consultant, to see the child. So I'm going to the ER. Hi, Danya.
Good
Where is the
afternoon,
child that you
sir.
called me up about?
Yes, sir. This is a 10-month baby who had high fever and vomiting, which was projectile, and had this convulsion, which I told you. This child is sick looking, sir, and on examination has even bulging anterior fontanelle.
Oh, I see.
Sir,
Meningitis.
yeah, could it be bacterial meningitis, sir?
Looks like. So
Okay,
I
sir.
trust Dhanya. Dhanya is one of the most sincere registrars that I've had. And since says it is the fontanelle is bulging, it must be. So Dhanya, this looks like acute bacterial meningitis. Do one thing. It's a medical emergency. Don't
Okay,
waste
sir.
time.
Yes,
Push
sir.
in piperacillin tazobactam and बाद में lumbar puncture कर लेना and let's call me.
Okay, sure, sir.
Wait, doctor. Piptas? This time?
Baba, this time it is CNS infection, not a viral infection.
So, Piptas is large molecule. It will not cross blood-brain barrier.
But we have been using Piptas for piperacillin tazobactam for last
No,
several years.
no. That could be a viral meningitis also, na?
Then what should I use?
You can use injection ceftriaxone and vancomycin.
Both Ceftra and Vancomycin.
Yes.
Oh, I
Okay,
read this
Dhanya.
as our protocol, sir. Is it a recommended protocol? Yes, I
Yes,
was reading
yes,
this
yes.
yesterday.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Then do one thing, Danya. Put him on ceftriaxone and vancomycin.
Yes.
Okay,
and
sir.
lumbar puncture कर लेना बाद में. Vancomycin
हाँ,
4-5
sir.
घंटे में देना. Do LP.
बाद में कहा अभी
Sir,
लंबर
वो-
पंक्चर.
बहुत टाइम लगता है. वो
No,
staff-
no.
सर बच्चे को
no.
सिडेट करना पड़ता है यहाँ बहुत टाइम लगता है
If you
सर,
give
LP
antibiotic
करने।
before lumbar puncture, it will alter the CSF picture. You understand?
Oh, he is right. Danya, let's do one thing. You do lumbar puncture. Ask the staff to arrange the CSF tray and everything
Yes.
quickly. Do a lumbar tap. Send CSF for culture. Don't forget to send for culture.
Okay, sir.
And then start ceftriaxone.
Okay, sir. Yes. Thank you.
So the patient is managed in the ER this way. Antibiotics have been changed to Ceftriax. I mean, we did not start piperacillin tazobactam thanks to the antibiotic steward who walked in at the right time. We put the patient on Ceftriax and vancomycin. The patient has been shifted to the ward, and now I am on rounds on day 3 of admission. And let's see what happens. So Danya, how is this child?
So this child is doing very well. No fever since
Oh, great,
yesterday.
great.
Feeding well.
Good, we listen to him. Ceftriax and vancomycin.
Yes, sir.
Abhi, every patient will put on Ceftriax and vancomycin. Next
Okay,
time.
sir.
Okay. What about the culture report? Has it come? CSF?
Culture, I did not
Hello, sir.
trace. Oh, here is
Morning,
Dr.
sir.
Narendra.
Hi Narendra, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
That's fine. इसका CSF culture report भेजा था
Yes, sir.
परसों.
CSF has grown Streptococcus pneumoniae.
Wow,
sensitive to
Narendra has
ceftriaxone.
really given us a good news. Very good. So see, I told you that it looks like bacterial. You also had said. So continue ceftriaxone and vancomycin.
Okay.
Thank you, Narendra.
Doctor!
Now what happened?
Vancomycin!
Are you only told now use
Doc-
vancomycin?
No. Dr. Narendra has told us injection
He said
ceftriaxone.
Streptococcus pneumoniae.
No, but it's sensitive to injection ceftriaxone, na?
Yeah.
Why do you want to give vancomycin?
Serious
Sir.
infection, brain है.
I understand.
child.
I understand,
Sir,
but
sir.
culture report is suggestive of.
Father is income tax commissioner, sir.
Oh, then let's not take any chance.
No. That is not an indication to start 2 antibiotics.
Okay.
You
what do we
understood?
do then? So what do you recommend then?
Only injection ceftriaxone.
So trust Narendra's report and
Yes.
de-escalate to ceftriaxone.
Yes.
But there is
Okay.
one problem,
What?
sir.
Now abhi
The
kya hua?
father has some important meeting. He was discharged tomorrow. So what
He
should we
wants
do?
discharge. Good. So stop vancomycin. As such, vanco oral is not available.
Yes.
And ceftriaxone, he is afebrile. Na?
Yeah.
Then discharge him on cefpodoxime.
Okay,
Ah,
sir.
chalega.
Cefodoxime. You want to give oral antibiotic?
Yeah.
Meningitis.
Meningitis 14 days
It
antibiotic.
is severe infection, doctor.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
then you-
cefpodoxime will work na.
No. The bioavailability of cefodoxime is very less in brain.
Oh.
So how
Sir,
do you
us-
continue oral antibiotics? Continue IV antibiotics.
उसका लाइन नहीं मिलता है सर 1 घंटा लगता है एंड दैट कमिश्नर पर्सन ही जस्ट कीप स्क्रिबिंग
No, I understand, but we can put central line and continue IV
Central line
antibiotics.
for antibiotic.
Yes,
Oh, but this.
this is
serious
severe infection.
Yeah. Then I think I'll talk to the commissioner. I'll talk to him and I'll try and convince him. Let's continue antibiotic parenterally for full 10 to 14 days,
Yes.
and then we'll discharge.
ओके सर
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
थैंक यू
So remember, friends, antibiotics are to be used answering 5 questions: the probable pathogen, the site and severity of infection. And remember, severe infections like meningitis require parenteral therapy. Do not succumb to parenteral pressure. The day child becomes afebrile, most parents are on our head asking for a discharge. The onus is on us to explain to them that the severity of infection and the need of parenteral antibiotic therapy. So I think if all of us pledge to use antimicrobial judiciously, very soon we would be curtailing this menace of antimicrobial resistance. Thank you very much.